If everyone is moving forward together, then success takes care of itself. It is well enough that people of the nation do not understand our banking and monetary system, for if they did, I believe there would be a revolution before tomorrow morning. Quality means doing it right when no one is looking. You can't build a reputation on what you are going to do. A business that makes nothing but money is a poor business. Whether you think that you can, or that you can't, you are usually right. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. Failure is simply the opportunity to begin again, this time more intelligently. My best friend is the one who brings out the best in me. Life is a series of experiences, each one of which makes us bigger, even though sometimes it is hard to realize this, for the world was built to develop character, and we must learn that the setbacks and griefs which we endure help us in our marching onward. Anyone who stops learning is old, whether at 20 or 80. Anyone who keeps learning stays young. The greatest thing in life is to keep your mind young. If you think you can do a thing, or think you can't do a thing, you're right. Obstacles are those frightful things you see when you take your eyes off your goal. Thinking is the hardest work there is, which is probably the reason why so few engage in it. One of the greatest discoveries a man makes, one of his great surprises, is to find he can do what he was afraid he couldn't do.